let's learn the meaning of indices. An index here represents the singular form, while indices is the plural form. So index or indices is the power to which a number is raised. For example, in 3 raised to the power 5, the index is the power that will have a 5. Another example, in 2 raised to the power of 3, the index is 3. Another example, in 2 raised to the power minus 2, the index is minus 2. In 5 alone, the index is 1 because 5 raised to the power of 1 is the same as 5. Thank you.